what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam.
Friends, when our graduates began this journey 4 years ago, they numbered 52. But the rigors of law school are formidable. It is not uncommon for outside obligations, family crises, sickness, or myriad other factors to interfere with a student's goal. They've persevered through illness, through tragedy, through setbacks of all kinds, and they reached out to you for support. They reached out to us, and they reached out to one another. We helped them stay focused. We helped them stay on task. And most importantly, we helped them not to give up. Together, they made it.
When we're born, each one of us is full of promise, and potential, and hope. So today, as our graduates are born into the legal profession, that same potential, hope, and promise is here with us again. I am honored to bear witness to this graduation. Each of you deserves this honor, and I know it will make a positive difference in the lives of others. You will contribute to the evolution of our laws, and I wish you success and happiness for a long, long, long time.
These graduates here today know what it means to be a zealot advocate for their clients. So you all have what it takes to be a great lawyer. Now, when I was standing on the stage at my own grad commencement, I viewed it as crossing the finish line. Woohoo, I did it. Give me my diploma and let me get out of here. But I have found that this commencement is not the end, but really is just the beginning of your relationship with PCU. It's not just 4 years, but forever. Whether we realize it or not, we carry PCU with us wherever we go. And this is true for all of us alumni, whether we graduated this year or 50 years ago, like me. Now, go out into the world and continue to be just as curious, just as honorable as you always have been, and always continue to go that extra mile and be great.
Thank you to Pacific Coast University School of Law. Without the school's fundamental belief of providing a quality legal education at an affordable price, none of us would be here today. Thank you to Pacific Coast University faculty and staff, many of whom earned their Juris Doctorate degrees from PCU, for giving of yourselves for very little money so that we can follow our dreams.
You see, any success I had in law school or will have in the future is because I'm willing to struggle. It is because I'm willing to face new challenges, and it is ultimately because I'm willing to incorporate temporary failure as the main ingredient of success. So just maybe if you find yourself struggling, facing challenges, or even failing, try to remember this quote from Winston Churchill. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
I am so proud to be standing with these people on the stage today. Without them, none of this could have been possible for myself. I know that I've been given accolades from others, but each and every person up here needs to know that what they've done for me is memorable, and I will never forget it, and I appreciate every single one of them. And I'm here to tell you, if you're not the polished type, and everyone in Track 2 knows when I say Eric's the polished type, they know what I'm talking about. He's a polished individual. I'm a rough individual. For those rough individuals that are out there, whether you've been out of school for weeks, decades, months, it doesn't matter. Just get up, go to class, trudge on, take one step at a time, and you can achieve your goal as well. So thank you all.
No day like today is ever possible, especially in a law school like this, without the acknowledgement of the love and support of the people who you have brought with you today to bear witness to the many sacrifices that they have made to get you to this day. Wives, husbands, partners, brothers, sisters, parents, children, employers, co-workers, all those who were important contributors in making this happen for you. So this day of celebration belongs to both you and them for a job well done. I salute you and I salute them. I'd like you to consider the intersection of education, law, and civil rights. In my current role as the head of a new state educational agency that is trying to get the right kind of help to struggling school districts, I work with some nonprofits like the Advancement Project California, Californians for Justice, and the National Center for Youth Law, which has a special mission of serving students in the foster care system. I always frown when I hear people say that we have too many lawyers. I don't see that when it comes to youngsters who are poor or immigrant or have disabilities or are encountering the juvenile justice system for the first time without legal representation. You can make a huge difference being their lawyers and advocates. Please consider it.
This has been a very exciting year for Pacific Coast University. 90 years ago, our school was founded. We've weathered through the Great Depression, World War II. We've grown from a school operating out of Dean Manson's garage to 2 classrooms at Wilson High School to our own campus over on Eximino. We've gone from 1 track of students to 2 tracks. We received provisional state bar accreditation at a time when no other unaccredited school was getting that. Now we are fully accredited since 2015. And through all of this, I think the most important thing is that we've stayed true to our mission. We provide a top legal education at an affordable price to those who would otherwise not be able to go to law school.
Jackie Lorraine Harris. Eric Shaw Mercier. John Dowd. Lizelle Rousson Berdiego. Roberto Brannan.
Mostra tutto il mio cuore che ora acceso, chiudi dentro me la luce che ha incontrato per strada. Time to say goodbye. Hey, sì, che non ama tu con te. Adesso sì li vivrò con te.
I give you Pacific Coast University, Class of 2017.
Tu non come make